Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I'll walk you through how to add barcodes to products in Shopify step by step. This is really helpful if you're managing inventory, selling across multiple channels, or want to make product tracking easier. Many store owners also call this adding a Shopify product barcode, SKU code, or stock keeping unit. So don't worry if you see different terms. They all point to the same setup. I will guide how to purchase barcodes for Shopify products. So, let's begin. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard using an administrator account. Once inside, look at the left-hand menu and click on Products. This will take you to a page where all your store products are listed. From here, select the product you want to work with. For example, I'll open ProMeta iPhone 16 case product and see how it goes. After opening the product settings page, scroll through the different sections like title, description, media, pricing, inventory, and shipping. What we need is found under the inventory section. Here you'll see fields for SKU, stock keeping unit, and barcode, ISBN, UPC, GTIN. To add a barcode, simply type in the correct barcode number that you've assigned to your product. If you don't have one yet, you can purchase barcodes through GS1 or other providers. Shopify itself won't generate new barcodes, but once you input them here, Shopify will automatically recognize them in reports, shipping labels, and integrations with sales channels like Amazon, eBay, or POS systems. Adding SKUs and barcodes is especially important if you're selling physical products, managing a warehouse, or syncing inventory with apps like Shopify POS, dropshipping tools, or fulfillment services like DHL and FedEx. It helps prevent errors, keeps your stock organized, and makes product scanning faster at checkout. Once you've added the barcode, just hit Save at the top right. That's it. Your product now has a registered barcode inside Shopify. You can repeat the same steps for each product in your store. Hopefully, this step-by-step guide helped you learn how to add barcodes in Shopify. If it did, make sure to check out more Shopify tutorials on setting up inventory, shipping, and product management. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.